Welcome to my sweet little home. This is my home. I have many rooms in my home. There is a small balcony. There is a big kitchen to cook and eat food. There is a big bedroom for my parents and a small one for me. There is a large living room to watch TV and a very clean bathroom for us to use. My mom, my dad, my sister, and I live happily in our sweet home. High frequency words. My are one, room, home, small. Vocabulary add-ons. Cook, eat, sleep, large, kitchen.
Have you enjoyed this video? Then like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.